Okay, thank you. So I was saying I would just like to say a few things about Tableau before we go into the software proper. So Tableau is a data visualization and business intelligence tool. It's a BI tool, as we used to say. BI simply means business intelligence. And it allows the users to connect, to analyze, to present data in an interactive and visual format. And it helps us to transform raw data into dashboards, charts, and reports that are easy to understand by the stakeholders or the people in charge of the business for them to make good or business informed decisions about their businesses and a few other things concerning the business, so to say. And Tableau has lots of uses, ranging from data analysis to visualizations to business intelligence, data storytelling as well, and of course, real-time monitoring. So Tableau can do all of these things for us when we know how to use it. And of course, Tableau has its advantages. And one thing I can tell you is Tableau is user-friendly. It's a drag and drop interface. So Tableau is user-friendly and it has good speed. And the integration is very well as well. Well, I mean, what I meant by integration is it helps us to connect with many data sources like Excel, SQL, Google Analytics, and other cloud and platforms, and so on and so forth. And of course, the dashboards are interactive as well. So um, I'll stop there as we progress into Tableau. So I'll be sharing my screen now so that we'll go into downloading and installing Tableau. So I will be sharing my screen. Now, I would love us to go into our Chrome or whatever browser we're using. So I would send a link to the platform now. Please let's endure to click on the link and come online. So the link is in the chat now. Please kindly check. So this is to enable us to download Tableau. So this process, I'll take it as slow as possible. So please check the chat for. So moving on, I want to believe that we have all opened the link. And when we open the link, we should have something like this, because I believe you can see my screen. We should have something like this. So now I have an account on Tableau. So let's assume we have something like this now. You would see, and please, for me to be sure that we are following, can we like maybe react or maybe use a thumbs up or something to indicate we are following so that I know we are on the same page. So I know we're on the same page. So can you like probably maybe you can react or type or anything in the chat box so I know we're on the same page. Because I wouldn't want us to start going forth and back on the downloads. Okay, one person has.
I can see your screen, but when I click on the link, I'm seeing something else that is not your screen.
Okay, can you see anything like create and learn on yours? On the top part like this. I believe you can see my cursor. Can you see my cursor?
I can see the Tableau page, but I don't know how you got to this point.
Okay.
I can see it as well here.
Okay. A minute, please.
Recording in progress.
Right.
And that is the link of this page. However, if you are on this page, it's still the same thing. We are on the same page. So when you click on the link, it should bring you to this page, right?
Yes, we're on this page.
Okay, thank you. Now, this is the page that helps us to download Tableau. Okay. Now, for us to download Tableau, it will ask us for a few information. For example, you would see on this upper part of my screen, you see my name because I have an account with Tableau. However, if you click on this Salesforce Tableau icon,
Okay.
if you click on it, it should bring you to somewhere here, something like this. Now, if you eventually have something like this, it will ask you to sign up or to sign in. But since we are on this page that is asking us to download Tableau, it will ask you for a few information. So all I need you to do now is when you click on download Tableau public, and it opens up this in minutes. Now you would see something like sign in. Now, if you click on sign in, let's click on sign in and let's see where it brings us. So it asks us which one of the Tableau packages we want to download. Now we have a lot of Tableau packages. However, I want to download the Tableau public desktop. Okay, want to download the Tableau public desktop. So because I have an account with Tableau, all I need to do is just put who I am and I would download it. So to move forward, please click on download on the Tableau.
Sorry, Albert, I don't seem to get this because when I clicked on that tableau on the left top hand corner, yeah, here, it took me somewhere. So I clicked on the sign in up at almost
Yeah.
there. I clicked on that sign in and it didn't bring me here.
Okay. Let me do something else. I'll just like send the software itself if I can. Okay, I'm not sure. It's impossible. Okay. I would love to use somebody else's screen to do the demo so that we can all get it because I have an account already. So can somebody else share our screen, please? Thank you. Please, let's do that ASAP.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Okay. Now click on sign in, please.
This one, right?
Yes. Now you would see that because you have an account, so you would have to do create an account. So I want to believe we are all on the same page. So please click on create an account.
Where
Yes.
is, I don't see create an
Create
account.
an account is just beside forget password under sign in.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need to fill in this information.
Okay.
I want to believe that the other people are doing the same. We all do an account, so this is the process to create the accounts for us to be able to download the software itself. Once you do, then you fill in your validate.
Sorry, is he asking us to try for free? I don't see signing, but there's try for free.
Can I go ahead to create? Are we waiting for
Yes,
us to be on the
go
same
ahead
page?
and create. Somebody was saying something just now.
Recording in progress.
You receive an email to confirm your
Yeah, I should go
your
ahead. I was just hoping maybe we wait for others if they're on this. Should I go ahead?
yes, please go ahead and confirm yours. Is there any other person with the same issue? I want to believe we should have been on the same page with Funke. Okay. So
Hello,
you
I'm
can
not
log
there
in.
in this place.
What?
I'm not on the page yet.
Where are you exactly?
Okay. So I'm where it reads Tableau login. I can see Tableau Cloud, Tableau.com, Tableau
No, you're
Public.
not supposed to go there. Where you see you will explore Tableau in minutes, you would see sign in.
Sign in. Okay.
Yes. Sign in or sign up, something like that.
Yeah. On top of try now and buy now by the right hand corner.
No, it's at the middle of the screen. You should say
Middle.
sign in.
Okay, let me check.
Is there any other person with the same issue?
I am already in already, but I'm trying to look for create an account.
Where are you? You said you are in. Where are you exactly?
Okay.
Have you done sign in?
Yes, I've signed in. No, I've not signed on.
Have you seen
I'm
sign in?
almost there. That's where I was now is almost there, but I saw some little thing here. My name, last name, email, roles, and some other things. The down is download the app. When I need to download the app.
Have you created an account first?
No.
You have to. You would see in that same place that it's asking for your name and every other information. You should see sign up at the top.
Okay, sign in.
Yes, sign in. Yes, click on it. Then you see create an account. Beside forgot password, then create the account. You put
Okay.
your
Create an account.
and
Yes, I'll see. Okay, yeah.
yes, then you validate or you activate your account. Then is there any other person with the same? Please sign in, Funke.
Okay.
Is there any other person with the same thing?
How about I'm not getting the same thing? Oh.
Okay.
What is giving me is this Tableau is asking me for next demo. If I touch it, if I click on that, then it's asking me to.
I never asked you to go to any next demo. Now, when you clicked on the link I put on the chat,
Yeah,
it brought you to
you'll be exploring.
the
Yeah.
yes in minutes.
Yeah.
On that same page, you see sign in.
No, I don't see.
Just under it or above it.
No, I don't see any sign in. All I
Okay.
have Tableau on the right on top. Then I have menu. And then all the way down is showing me new feature highlights, spam moderation, experience the full, all those, then learn more. There's no sign in at all on that page.
Okay. It's okay.
Or
It's
is
okay.
this sign into Tableau Cloud?
No, you're not using the
Oh,
cloud. You're using
oh,
the what's it called? The Tableau public.
okay. Yeah, I can
Yeah,
see
I'll
this is
get to
the
you. I'll
Tableau
get to you.
public.
Yes, I'll get
Okay.
to you. I'll
All
get
right.
to you. Okay, yeah, back to Funke. Yeah, so can you now go back to reclicking that link that I put on the group now?
Okay.
Yes, go and click it now.
Yeah, I just clicked now.
Okay,
And
hold on. Let me see
yeah,
this.
I can see it will be exploring in minutes.
Yes, I can't
Okay.
see that particular screen you're sharing. It's like you did not share the whole of your screen, but it's fine. You'll be
Yeah.
exploring in minutes.
No,
Um,
are you talking to me? Or you
Uh,
someone? I'm not.
I'm
I'm the
talking
one
to
who.
Funke actually.
Okay, I should click on that link again.
Yes, please.
Oh,
Somebody was saying something a few seconds ago.
yeah, it was someone else.
Okay, who is that, please?
I'm also Funke, sorry. It is Olu Funke. Mine is Funke.
Oh, so sorry. I'm
So,
talking to Funke or Guinea.
yeah, I'm not able to click on this, so I had to copy and
Yeah, you can copy paste it into a new
a new. Yeah, but you know when you're sharing, you can't see your. Okay, I can. Let me see if I can drag this away from the. Okay, yeah.
Okay, you know what? Never mind. Just open a new tab
Yeah,
and go.
I wasn't able to see it before, but I can see now.
Okay. Yes, do that. Now
Okay,
scroll up a bit.
let me move all of this away.
Then you click on the role. Then put your role. Yes, click on role. Then
Which
personal user, so to say. Because
personal user? Okay.
yeah, if that's where you are, depending on where you are. So you do download the app now.
All right.
Yes. So it's to ask you for which if it's MacBook, Windows. No, don't close it. Click on Windows, please. If you are using Windows.
My hands were too fast. Sorry.
And if otherwise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's downloading already. So you can stop sharing.
All right then.
So who else is having issues so that we can sort it all at the same time, please?
Thank you.
The other phone, are you
Sorry, I've initiated the password already. He said thank you for registering. You will
now
receive.
go to your email and validate or activate your account?
Okay.
Yep. Where else? Where else? I can see somebody saying down in the chat. That means the person has downloaded it. Okay, nice.
So I'm still on the page where I'm had to fill my details, first name, last name, email, and all that. And I've got
Yeah.
role.
Yeah, you can put personal user, or if you have an analyst or anything like that, and you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So who else is having issues? Who else is there?
Should I click into my mail direct?
Yes, of course. You check in your email and you see their email, then you can
Okay.
then validate the account. Who
Hi.
else? Is there any other person with the
Yes.
same?
Yes, I am. Well, I started a bit late. I joined a bit late. I think about 10 past or 16 past. So I'm not able to see the link to using downloading the Tableau. So is it possible
Okay.
to put that in the chat again, please?
I'll paste it in the chat for you.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Laptop, please, can you rename yourself? Laptop, please rename yourself. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any other person with the same or any other issue so we can move forward? Any other person? Any other person?
Don't see sign in. So if I'm using try now, it asking me
No.
to
Have you created your account? Hello? Hello?
I've signed in already.
Yeah.
Yes. Somebody was stuck. Chinelo, have you created an account?
No, I haven't. I don't see any sign from when I
See, did you get? Look at my screen. Did you get to this interface?
No.
If you click on the link I put in the chat, this is where it will bring you to.
Oh God.
Except you are doing something else.
Hello.
Please hold on.
Okay.
The person with laptop, please kindly change your name. If you click on that link, this is where it should bring you. I'll put the link on the group on the chat again, please.
Okay. Let me
So
again.
please check it. It will bring you to this interface. Please let me know if you're on this interface. Now this is to everybody that are yet to install Tableau. So if you click on that link, you should be on this interface. What?
I'm on. You'll be exploring in minutes. That's all. I don't see any.
Yes, look at sign in here. Look at sign in here.
That's the thing.
Look at my screen. Can you see it?
Yeah, I don't have those things on your screen.
But you see you'll be exploring in minutes.
Yeah, but I don't almost there and the rest.
Have you seen almost there? Are you using a laptop?
I'm using my phone.
Oh no. You can't. It's not possible.
I have
it's
to
not a
use
phone
it.
It's a
Me,
laptop
I'm
software.
using laptop, but it's telling me that the site you are trying to cite in does not have a HTTPS. That's what it's telling me. Only tablet.com doesn't support a secure connection with HTTPS. What does that mean?
Well, I don't know. Maybe it's from your end.
I'm on the same page with you.
You're on the same page with me. Now, if you clicked on the link I put on the chat, right?
Yeah, I click it, wasn't clicking, and I copy it into my
browser. You have to copy paste everything. You have to copy paste it the way it is. What browser are you using, please?
Hello. Let me see it again.
Hello.
Please hold on, Adi. What browser are you using, Timtope?
Come again.
What browser are you using?
Chrome.
If you are using Chrome, you shouldn't have any problem. If you copy it and paste it, you should bring out this immediately.
Okay, let me try again. Let me try the...
Yes, you can open another tab and do that. Now, for the remaining people...
I've only seen you be exploring in minutes, but I can't figure signing. I'm using tab.
You're using a tab?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't think it will work on your tab. It should work on the laptop.
I can see menu there.
Yes, you can see menu. Can you see sign in?
I can only say you can explore 1 minute, try for free.
Can you see sign in?
I can't see sign in.
If you can't see sign in, then you should get a laptop, please. Sorry.
Okay, that means tomorrow.
I can see sign in.
Yes. Now click on sign in. For the remaining people, click on sign in. Then you would see a sign in page. Now under that sign in, you see your email and password. Then under it, you would see forget password and create account. Can you see those two?
Yeah.
Now click on create account, please.
Okay.
Golden brown on it.
Now when you click on create account, it will open up another page. Now fill in your details, please.
Okay.
And please let's be fast about that, because this class is just for 1 hour.
I don't know. Our people are eating and not complaining.
Adetoye, can you please mute your mic, please? Thank you.
Sorry, Albert.
Yes, for me.
After, because I'm on this it says Tableau desktop. Do I need to click on don't send product usage data? I've already clicked, I have read and accept terms. Then I'll have
You've
to go
created an
to,
account here.
I've downloaded already, just to install.
Okay. So what is that again you're asking, please?
Oh, shoot.
Sorry, I mean, I want you to repeat the question, please. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm coming. I think I pressed something.
It's asking you to accept if you want them to send you product update or what?
No. I don't know how to explain it. I already downloaded
You are
Tableau, and I
installing,
can
right?
see Tableau. Yeah, I was only supposed to click on install, and I don't know where it is now. It's gone because I clicked on something else.
Oh, so sorry. So the person creating the account, are you able to create and
Yeah, so I received an email to confirm my account activation. So I've clicked on it. So it's now taking me back to the same sign-in page again.
yes. Then you
Okay.
would now you will see the same sign-in page, right?
Yeah.
Now you now click, you sign in, then it will ask you for your role. Once you put your role,
Okay.
once you put your role, then you would download.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going for the sign-in with Salesforce, right? Or just sign in?
What's it called? You'll be exploring Tableau in minutes, actually. Okay.
Okay.
So that's yeah. Then you put your role and so then you put your role and you download. Is that fine?
So it's taking me to start your free trial, no credit and all that.
No.
Mm.
Shouldn't take you there.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what? You go and click that link.
Okay.
Then the place that has the what's that? The place that has the sign-in.
Yeah.
So just put your role and download. Just as we saw Olufunke's laptop the other time.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So when you get to that page, just put in your information and you check the box under it and you do download.
So we
All
click
right.
product.
What? Who's that? Sorry.
No, I'm the one. Should we click because I saw some product, customer, solution, and the rest. Should I just leave that page?
What page is that? I'm not sure.
There is no particular place like that. Tableau. Try for free.
No, we are downloading Tableau Public now, not the desktop, not the prep, not the any other thing. It's just the Tableau desktop.
Okay.
Did you click on the are you on the download page?
Yes.
Yes, then have you created your account?
I've created my account already. It
And
sent
you've
this to my
activated
mail.
it.
I've activated it already.
Now go back to the link that I put on the chat. We open the link again, copy paste it again. Then to ask you to ask you to sign in, but you're not signing in now. You just put your information under that place and you put your role, then you click on download. Then it will open another page for you. The next page it opens, you just select your type of laptop. If it is Windows,
tablet.com. Use a product public download, right?
tablet.com use the product download. If that's where you are, fine. As long as you're able to get to the pop-up that asks you to select your type of laptop, if it is Windows or Mac.
Okay. Let me copy.
So where else is having any challenge on it, please?
Albert?
Yeah.
Thank you so far. I've been able to get on laptop and I've registered and it opened to a screen now, which I have is like top of it is like learn and all those how to video, sample data, community resources.
Now you see that lane that you are on.
Yeah.
Click on that lane, then you should see something like, can you see anything like download there? No, it's not there.
Download app. So
no, you see. Can you see create beside learn?
No.
You cannot see create beside learn. Yeah, learn should have create beside it. Yeah, please hold on.
Sorry.
Now, please hold on. You were saying that you have registered, right? The person that was speaking before this other person.
Me?
No. The person that was speaking before you.
Hello.
Is that the person that was speaking before?
Download.
What?
This Funke, I've been able to download.
Okay. Have you now then install on your laptop, please?
All right.
Yeah.
What
So
role
the
are we
person,
putting there?
what do you say, please?
The role.
Yeah, you can say personal user.
Okay.
Yes.
And I download.
Yes, you click on download.
Okay.
Then it will open another pop-up page. So you just select the type of laptop you have. If it is a Windows, if it is a Mac, and that way you should be fine. So the other person that was talking before you, I don't know the person's name, please. Pardon me. Can you repeat yourself so that we can find a lasting solution to it? So because I would really want us to do something tonight before we call it tonight, please. The person is not talking again, no?
It's Chinelo, yeah?
Yes, Chinelo, please. What were you saying? Sorry.
So I've downloaded the app and it opened to the page like that have learn on it with
Sorry, are you able to share your screen? Because I do not understand that page you're talking about, really.
Oh.
Now, let me just ask you a question so we can find one solution.
Okay.
You used the same link that was on the group, right?
Yeah, I typed it in on my laptop.
You typed it in?
Yeah, on the search listing button.
The search button. Then it took you to the place of download. That you explore.
Yes, where I registered my name and everything and downloaded. Then the next page is where I am now.
So the next page, what is on the next page?
You have Tableau, public, create, learn on top, sign up, sign in. And then you come down to a bigger screen down. You have a bigger learn there.
But you've created an account, right? Have you activated your email?
No, I haven't.
You should, please.
Okay.
Yeah, go to your mail and activate it.
All right.
Sorry for the last time, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead, please.
I've downloaded it already. It's giving what I'm having here. Public, Tableau public, create, learn. And what again? How to video, sample data, community resources. That's where I am now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Am I on the right page?
How to video, sample data, community resources blog, and Tableau public FAQ.
Yes.
Is that way?
Yes.
Now, beside that lens, can you see create beside it?
Create. Okay.
It's just
Tableau public. Yes, I saw create. Yes.
Now click on that create. You see download Tableau desktop public edition.
I saw
under web authoring, right?
Author, yes.
Download. Then the next thing is download Tableau desktop public. Click on that. Yes.
I should click on that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Click already. I've clicked already.
Yeah.
I have public customer solution resource and pricing.
Yes. Scroll down. You would see you are almost there, right?
I'm still seeing downloading again. Download the app. I don't know.
Have you downloaded it already?
Yes.
Then go and install on your laptop then.
Is it there already? The done now. New features highlight. I'm seeing some new feature highlight and some other stuff like that.
Wait, have you installed the software on your laptop?
Yes.
Then you are fine.
Okay.
Yes. In as much as you have installed it on your laptop, you are fine.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to believe everybody has downloaded except for Chinelo. So I will just
okay. So where I am is saying welcome to the data farm. Is that it?
Have you installed the software on your laptop?
It didn't take me to install, just say I should sign up. And I signed up. I got email alert, which I clicked. And I say welcome to the
Did you activate the email?
Yes, and from there it says welcome to the data farm.
It's fine. It's fine. Now, the same link you used that I put on the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and copy that link, open another tab, paste the link there, then you download.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Once you paste the link, you'll be exploring in minutes. Then you'll see some box under it, like you'd see a box that asks for your role, and download the app, and a checkbox for a yes checkbox box. Sorry. So input your role as personal user and click the checkbox and download the app. That's all. You should be fine.
Albert?
Yes.
Sorry, do I need to click don't send products using data?
Well, it's your choice though.
Actually, what does it mean?
Don't send what?
Question. It says don't send product usage data.
Yeah, it's just asking more like it will give you updates when there's a new Tableau public, because Tableau public releases every updated software every now and then. So once that is up, they will send you an update for you to update your software. That's what it simply means. So you can either check it, you can decide to leave it. That's why I said it's your choice.
What's your suggestion?
Yeah, of course. You will download.
I am. You'll be exploring in minutes. I think I've filled this one before now.
Wait, you'll be exploring in minutes before I get to you. So you can just check it. It's fine. Now back to you. You'll be exploring in minutes.
The app. Okay.
Sorry, Albert.
Yeah.
When it opens to that screen almost there, it's allowing me to sign in. That's if I've already registered.
You are not supposed to sign in again if you have registered. The only thing you see there, you see roll and download, right?
Yes, I've done those ones, and I'm still waiting for the email to come in, but I haven't seen anything in my email.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Wait. And you signed up, right? Under the create button, where you created a new account.
No, I'm still on that download app, and then
No, I think you are missing it.
Hold on.
When you click on, hold on, please, come in. Now, when you click on the link, you'll be exploring in minutes. This is what you have, right? Can you see my screen? Hello?
I can see your screen, yeah?
Okay, good. Now you see this sign in button.
Yes.
You click on it.
Okay.
Then it will take you to a sign-in page. Mine is still loading.
Yes, yes. I've seen it.
Now, under it, you will see create an account. This is what you are supposed to use.
Okay, after I enter my email, isn't it?
No.
Oh, I shouldn't do anything there. Okay.
You just click on create an account. You don't have an account. You want to create an account.
Yes.
So you put in your bio data. Then after that, you receive an email.
Okay.
Then you validate it. Then you come back to that same link that I put on the group. Then it will bring you back to this place.
Okay.
So you would now see sign in. Don't click on sign in. You will just see role and this yes checkbox. Then you download the app.
Okay.
That is all you want to do.
Okay. Yeah, it
So
makes
that's just it.
Yeah.
So I want to believe everybody is fine now, because I want to move forward. Okay, so let us all go and open our Tableau software from our desktop, please. Let's go and open it. I'll be opening mine now, then I'll share my screen.
Okay, I'm there already. Yeah.
Okay.
He said, hello, Oladimeji.
Hold on. Okay. After I might have installed our Tableau on our laptop, once you open it, you should have this interface. Do we have this interface?
Yeah.
And what do you click that?
Good.
I do, but it says update Tableau.
You can just choose the
It's
option of
saying update
updating
Tableau.
later.
Okay.
Now, we all have this interface. Even if it is asking you to update, you can still work with whatever you have, okay? So it's not like something you will have to do immediately. Now, so we all have this interface, right? Now, this interface is the Tableau interface. Now, because of the fact that this is a free version of Tableau, it is limited to a few things, unlike the Tableau desktop. The desktop is more comprehensive, but the only difference in what we have here and what the desktop has is, now when you want to connect to a file, the desktop option you see to a server now. The desktop option has a lot of other connectors. It has a lot of other connectors. But thank God, the scope of what we want to do tonight, or for the purpose of Tableau, we can use the Tableau public edition. So now, this is Tableau. We only have three buttons, like the file, the data, and the help. So now basically we know what, just like our MS Word, the file, it asks you to open new and a few other things. Now you would see a button like open from Tableau public. Now this button, this open from Tableau public, what it does is whatever work we do on this Tableau now, it will be saved to the cloud. So whenever we do anything, it will be saved to the cloud. And when it saves to the cloud, whenever I want to continue working on that particular project, right, we will just have to pick it up from the cloud and continue our work. So I'll repeat that again, because we'll be making use of this button a lot in this class. The open from Tableau public is simply asking you to open from cloud the work you've been doing to continue. Okay, so now the data I'll be using for this class, I'll be sharing the data with us in the chat now. So in the next 3 seconds, please go to the chat and save the data, please. Okay, I'm uploading the data now. So I just shared the data with us. Please. Okay, it's still uploading. So in the next 1 minute, it should be done. Then we can download it. Okay, I'm so sorry, but it's still loading. It's a 3.21 megabytes data, so it's still loading.
Email link, I've clicked it, but I've not seen any download on my desktop.
Temitope, if you have activated your email, go back to the chat, copy the download link again, then open a new tab, paste it there. It will ask for your role and
yes, I've done that. I just did that now.
Then
it asked for my role and I listed it. Okay.
Can you see download under it?
No, I clicked download, but it's not giving me any link. It now says if you are using Mac or Windows, try
then
again.
Which laptop are you using? Are you using a Windows laptop?
Yes, I'm using Windows laptop.
Then you just click on Windows. It is only asking you which OS do you use. If you are using a Linux, if you are using
click on Windows.
Then it should download, please. So let me know once you download yours.
Okay, let me try again.
So just click on download and click on Windows. It will download automatically.
Excuse me, please, Albert. After download, mine is the Tableau Public 2025.2, and it's asking me to restart.
To restart what? Your laptop?
Yes, it's saying click restart to reboot the computer and complete the process of installing.
No, you're not supposed to.
Yeah, I'm wondering because just what we did was what I clicked to install, and after installing, that's what it's done.
It has downloaded inside your folder, right?
Yes.
Then just go to your folder and install it.
Okay.
Yeah. So just go to your folder and install from your folder. You don't have any business with the online platform anymore for the moment because you've created an account. So whatever you do on the software will be saved to the cloud and you can move forward. Olufunke, you have your hands raised.
Oh, sorry. That was because I wanted to ask the question.
Okay, fine.
But it's still asking me to restart. I don't know.
Ayan, it is not supposed to ask you to restart because I'm using the same 2025 edition and I just downloaded it.
Because I've gone to the desktop now. It's saying setup failed and I must restart. Well, I'll just follow the class. I'll do that later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Olaomi, are you there?
Yes, I am. Hi.
I will send the data to you on WhatsApp now. Please, if they have a group, please help me share it to it. I don't know why it's still taking longer to. Is that fine?
Okay. Chinelo, can you randomly tell me what group you picked this link from?
No. I want to send you the.
I know what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. I'm just asking them so that I'll know where to post.
Okay.
Chinelo or anybody, can you tell me where you picked the link for this section is from?
In the chat.
Yeah, what chat? Is it WhatsApp?
Yes.
Yeah, it's WhatsApp chat.
Yes, it's WhatsApp, yeah.
Can one of you say hi on that WhatsApp group so that I'll know exactly the particular WhatsApp to post it? One or two of you just say hi on the WhatsApp group. Send it to me, Albert. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm not on that WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I'm trying to send it on the chat now. I don't know why it's taking longer
It says only admins can chat.
Only admin can chat.
Okay, please, you people should check the chat now. The data is there. It was uploaded. So please
I
just
have
download
even received it from you already, but yeah, it's on the chat, so that's it.
It's on the chat, please.
Thank you, Albert.
So let's pick it from the chat, please. Let's go. Okay. Have we all downloaded the data?
I don't see it on the chat.
It's the
I've
latest
checked all
one
the
on the
chats
chat.
there.
No, it's on this Zoom chat. It's
Okay,
on
on
this
the Zoom
Zoom
chat.
chat.
It's
Okay.
Yeah.
downloading. It's downloading on my phone, but I'm using my laptop to do it. So I don't know. Because I'm using my phone for the Zoom, and I'm using my laptop for the.
You can easily like download it with your phone and share it to your WhatsApp. If you can easily
Okay,
open your WhatsApp
I've
on your
seen it
phone.
already.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
So
I saw a link. I saw a link on my laptop downloads. It says confirmed so and so download. Which app do you want to open it with?
have you activated your email?
I've activated that, but I
Then
can't
if you have
see the
activated
download
your
on my.
email, if it has said email activated, just go back to the download link, open a new tab, put your role, click the yes checkbox, then download, then select Windows. It will download automatically. You don't need to stress yourself. Okay.
Okay.
How about?
Yeah.
Is it an Excel format?
Yes, it is.
Yes, I've seen it already.
Yes. Okay, so we'll just demo one thing tonight and we'll end the class because we are supposed to have ended it some 4 minutes ago. Now, so the first thing we want to do now is we have the data set, right? And the data set is an Excel file. So the first thing we want to do is we want to connect to the data. The data is the latest thing on the chart. Please, you can check. It's the latest thing on the chart. Adegonke is the latest thing on the chart. I just highlighted it for you, please see. I just highlighted it for you. Oopsie. Okay, I'll share the data again. I hope it comes up ASAP because I don't know why it's taking longer. But I'm sharing it again anyway. So okay, so now I want to connect to the Excel file. The first thing I want to do is want to click on Microsoft Excel. Now, when you click on Microsoft Excel, it will ask you for where you want to pick the data from. So just go to where you have your downloaded box, where you have the data. I have mine inside this folder. Then the sample superstore, I'll click on it and I'll do open. Now, when it opens, it should open like this. I should have this interface. I should have this interface. So now that I have this interface, I can see the number of sheets in this Excel file. I have 3 sheets. One sheet is for order, one sheet is for people, and one is for returns. Okay, now do not forget these sheets, they are independent sheets. They are in 3 different sheets. So they are all independent. They are not connected in any way. But for the sake of what we want to do, we will have to connect this. We will have to connect this information to each other. Olufunke, you have your hands raised.
Yes, sorry, quick one. You said they are not interconnected. So are they all worksheets in the workbook or?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That's why I said
All
they
right.
are sheets in a
All
workbook.
right, in a workbook. All right, thank you.
Yeah, so you would see that on the top of those sheets, we have sheets. And under it, you have the 2 different sheets that are inside that workbook. Okay. Now, in our next class, we'll go into the Excel sheet itself. We'll talk more about, we'll see the data itself. But then, the first thing we want to do is we have orders, people, and returns, right? So for us now to connect the data to the sheets to each other, don't forget I said Tableau is a drag and drop interface. So the first thing we want to do is hold and drag order, then drag it out. Just drag it to the camera. Now, when you drag it to the camera, it will show you all the information that are inside the order sheet. So you can scroll to the side, you can see everything that is inside the other sheets. Now, maybe in your Power BI class, you talk about data types. Okay. Now you see the different data types on this data. You see the different data types. You know, we have strings, we have floats, we have all these different types of data type. Now you on the row ID, you see something like hash, which is indicating number, is a string. Yes, it's a string because its number is like, it's written in 1, 2, 3, but it will be seen as ONE1, TWO2 because they are strings. So the same thing applies to the other informations, like we have the data type, we have strings, we have map data type, the country, the city, the state, the postal code. It's all indicating map. It's all indicating map. So, and so on and so forth. And then we have the sales, the quantity, the discounts. I'm so sorry, the hash is indicating number. Okay, number. So basically, that's what you see when you drag out the first sheet, just for you to see what is inside the sheet. So, and here is where we do joins as well. We do joins here because there are some information that, for example, if you have some information inside order that is inside people, you have to do some joins so that you would now make use of one out of the two because they are the same information. And we don't want to have repetitive data on our data set. Okay, so that is the first thing we will be doing on this data set. We have the orders, and now because we have the orders, now another thing is if we want to use returns, if we want to merge it with orders, all we have to do is click on returns and bring it out. And okay, a data model, topic tag, a data source, and directly related. Okay. Now, what we are trying to do here is we're trying to do a data model, right? So if I bring out, now you would see that while I'm moving around these people, for example, you would see a kind of should I call it a rope, something like that. So it's more like it will connect the two sheets together for me to be able to see all the information in the two sheets. So in other words, the two sheets will now become one. Okay, the two sheets will now become one. So in a case whereby we have what's it called? We have a very, very large data set. This is where we'll be doing our joins at the end of the day. We'll be doing our joins at the end of the day. However, I'm not going to go into joins tonight because join is something else entirely that I'll still get to at the end of the day. So now the data set or the sheet I'm going to be using for now is the order sheet. Okay. Now, in as much as I've brought out this order sheet, then the next thing I want to do is I want to go into my worksheet. So you see some three buttons here. One is for new worksheets, one is for new dashboard, and one is for new story. So now I want to go into a new worksheet. All I have to do is click on this new worksheet button, and I'll say worksheet, and I'll click on it. Then I'll have this interface. Okay. Now I'll have this interface. So now we would see that on the left side of the screen, we'll see the data sets and their different data types. There are different data types. We'll see that category that's ABC, which is a string. City is a map data, customer ID, basically informational data. Now, when you look at this left side of the screen, you would see that the information above, now we call them measure. They are called measure. Now, you will see something like measure names and measure values. Measure names and measure value. I decided to change the color of my cursor so that we can easily follow it. You see measure names and measure value. Now, the measure names, they are called dimensions. Now, they are bluish in color. They are blue. They are called dimensions. Dimensions. Please, let's not forget this. They are called dimensions. And dimensions in this case, they are informational data. For example, client name, order ID, product name, region, segment, ship mode, state, category of the product, and so on and so forth. So these are informational data. They just carry information about the data. Now, if you come down, you would see that the measure values, you would see hash right in front of them. These are called measures. They are measures. So we basically have measures and dimensions. So the dimensions are qualitative data because they are informational data. They are qualitative. And then the measures are quantitative because they carry value. They carry value. If you check, you see discount, profit, quantity, sales, latitude, longitude, orders, count, and measure values. They are quantitative values. Okay, so I want us to have this at the back of our mind. Now, the first, for example, now, I just want us to demo something before we call it a night. Now, I said, now, when you look at this show me button, that you see something like show me here, show me. Now, these are various types of visualization. Various types of visualization that you might want to do, you might want to work with. Now, these visualizations, they have clause. Clause in the sense that if I put my cursor on the first visualization that is here. Now, if you look below here, you see something like measure and dimension. You see something like measure and dimension. You see something like measure and dimension. So if I put my cursor, if I bring it back to the first text table cross tab visualization. Now, below it, I have measure and dimension. You can see measure is green and the dimension is blue. They are two different colors that are saying two different things. Measure is in the sense that it's asking me to put informational, measure is asking me to put quantitative data, while dimension is asking me to put qualitative data. Now, you would see the measures and dimensions here. It's a pop-up that comes up. So if I put my cursor back here, it's asking me to put, in a layman's understanding, it's asking me to put measure, which is the information that has this hash information right in front of them. It's asking me to put one of these and another one of this information for me to get a cross tab, text table cross tab. Sorry. Now, if I bring it on this horizontal bar, it's asking me to put one measure and one dimension. So I'll be going forward, I'll be communicating with you in measures and dimensions. So I'm simply saying qualitative data and quantitative data. And by qualitative data, I mean informational data, which are the data that are up, that are bluish in color, and my measures, which are quantitative data that carries value. So the first thing we'll be doing tonight is I want us to create let's just create one visualization. So the first thing I want to do is, okay, so I have, now if you look at this data, we have categories, we have subcategories. So in our next class, I'll create hierarchies. And what I meant by hierarchy is the data that are the same thing, that are in the same category. I'll create an hierarchy and put them together. So in fact, let's create hierarchy tonight. So now I look at category and I see subcategory, meaning that the category of the product, the subcategories are the items that makes up that category. I don't know if I'm communicating. Now, for example, if I'm selling electronics, electronics is a category. Now, if I have sound system, television, fan, tabletop fan, and all ACs, no, AC is not an electronic, sorry. If I have radios and all these things, sound systems and co, they are subcategories. They are the items that makes up that category. Now, the first thing first, for me to create an hierarchy, I have to right click on category. There are two ways that I can do that to create hierarchy. Now, if I right click on category, I would see hierarchy here, and I'll see create hierarchy. Right. So I just right clicked. Now, if I click on this button, this triangle button right in front of category, if I click on it, I should have hierarchy at the same time. So now it now depends on you which route, how do you want to do it. So if I say category, so let's right click on category and select hierarchy and select create hierarchy. I click on create hierarchy. Now it is asking me what is the name of the hierarchy I want to create. It's asking me for which hierarchy do I want to create. Now, let me say, so I want to give this hierarchy a name. Now, so let me say item, for example. Let me say item, and I right click, and I click OK. Now you'll see that I now have item inside my data set, and category is now under item. But now I want to bring my subcategory under category for them to be in the same, under the same umbrella. Now you will see that right in front of item, there is something that looks like an hierarchy logo. Right here, looks like an hierarchy logo. It's saying these are their items, their information under something. So now for me to add subcategory to category, all I need to do is come to subcategory, I'll highlight it, and I'll say category hierarchy now. Then I'll say add to hierarchy. So because I've created one hierarchy before, which is the item hierarchy, all I need to do is select item, and it automatically brings it under category. That is one way of adding information to another information under the hierarchy settings. Now, you can always do Ctrl Z to go back a step further, to go back a step. Now, if I do Ctrl Z now, my category is back to where it was. So I can drag and drop it again. So if I hold and drag, you will see that it is moving. It's actually moving. And once it gets under category, you will see a line. Once it gets under category, you will see a line, a dark straight line, indicating if I want to drop it under category or above category. But because I want to drop it under category, I'll I'll now place it under category. And once I see that line, I'll just leave it and I'll say, okay. And that way, we have successfully created our first hierarchy. And then if I now close this hierarchy, I will only be seeing item, but there are some information under the item. So now let's create our first visualization as round of tonight's class. Now, if I drag item, before I move forward, are we all on the same page, please? I hope I'm not too fast.
You're
I hope
perfect.
I'm not too fast.
You're perfect. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your response. So now the first thing I want to do is I want to move item to my rows. Now, just like we have rows and columns in our Excel sheet, the same thing applies to Tableau. Okay, same thing applies to Tableau. So now you see this show me information that displays all sort of visualization. We can actually close it. If you click on it, it shows something like this. Then you can click on that show me, then it will take it off. Then you can have a full Canva. Now, if I bring my item into columns, don't forget drag and drop. If I bring it into columns, now it will give me category. Now it is giving me category because category is under the item. So the category of the business. Now the category of the products that we have in this data set, we have furnitures, office supplies, and technology. Now, if I now want to see the information of these categories, let me now say I want to bring in my sales to rows, and I'll drop my sales to rows. Now I will have the sales information of the different categories that we have in this data set. And don't forget, we have furniture, office supplies, and technology. Okay. Now, because I have added my subcategory into the category, I've placed both inside one hierarchy. It means I have moved both categories and subcategories into this Canva automatically because I moved item. Don't forget, if I had opened up the item, and selected only category, I have only category. But because I have moved the item, I have both category and subcategory. Now, if I now want to further break down this visualization, all I need to do is, you'll see a plus button right behind this category. If you click on it, it will display the subcategory of the information. Now, the subcategory now, it will now open up the different categories that are inside, the different product subcategories that are inside the categories. Now, you would now see Tableau is saying category and subcategory. Categories like furniture, office supplies, technology, and underneath it, we have the different product names that are in this data set, and it is now showing us the sales of this product. So this way, we have simply visualized the sum sales of the different categories we have in this data set. Okay, so if I click on this minus, it was plus before. Now, it's now minus. If I click on this minus, it will close up the category, the subcategory, and show me just category information. Now, another thing I can do is I can now bring this item into color. For example, if I want to differentiate this item, these products by colors, all I need to do is you drag and drop item, you drop it on color. Okay, when you drop it on color, it will automatically give this information different colors. Now, if I now break it down, the same thing will happen. It will give them different color based on the different categories. Now, if I'm now not comfortable with this color palette, now this part, this place, we'll still work on this part. We have pages, filters, we have marks. Now we have a lot of information in these marks. If I, you can see it is automatic. So if I open up this place, I'll see all sort of visualization. If I want it to be line, for example, this is what I will have. If I want it to be area, for example, this is what I will have. If I want it to be square, I'll have something like this. If I want it to be shape, this is what I will have. And but then once I leave it at automatic, it gives me in form of a bar. So that way I'm able to now do whatever I want to do on the visualization. So with this, we have successfully created our first visualization. However, there are some things we'll still do on this visualization, but it will be in our next class because we have exceeded our time. And again, we have successfully created our first hierarchy. So in our next class, I want you to create another hierarchy. This is an assignment now. I want you to create another hierarchy. Give the name of the hierarchy as location. Location. Now, you create the hierarchy using country. Now, it is not, nobody's going to penalize anybody for not doing it, but it will be nice for you to do it. Use country as the hierarchy. You can right click on hierarchy, you create another one because you want to create. You do create, you name it as location, blah, 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 you leave it. Now, when you create the location hierarchy, bring state. Where is state? You bring state under it. You bring city under it. You bring postal code under it. Everything that has a map logo in front of them, there are three. You bring all of them inside one hierarchy. So that will be our next, that will be our assignment for next class. So I want to see who is able to do it. Then we'll continue with this visualization. So as we progress, we'll be understanding it. It is very simple to understand, provided we understand the data set we are working with. So with this, I'll be rounding up my first class with you. So if you have any question, please hold on. Now, for us to save our visualization in the cloud, the first thing we want to do is say Control S. Just do your normal Control S. If you say Control S, because we are saving it for the first time, we will have to sign in into our Tableau account for the visualization to be saved on the cloud. So what I'll do is I'll log in into my account. So you to do the same. So do the same. Okay. Let's assume we have all signed in. You have put in your Gmail and your password. I'll do sign in. So let's see what it's going to bring. Okay. Now, it has signed me in. Now, it will ask me to save workbook to Tableau Public. Now, it will ask me what name do I want to give it. Okay. Now, I will save mine as Samples Superstore Database September 2025. That's what I want to save mine as. Then I'll do save. Now, after doing save, Tableau will start saving it. It will start preparing it to be sent to the server. Once it finished saving it, it will now save your work on the cloud, and it will show you what it has saved on the cloud. So let me show you what is showing on my path. Now, where is my Chrome? Okay, so this is my visualization now, and this is my online space. You would see you would see my picture here, you would see Tableau Public Create Learn, and you see this visualization that I created. So when you save yours like this, as you can see, it is saying sample superstore database, the date I uploaded it, published so date, updated so date, and that way it is saved to the cloud. And I can actually work on this data set from this cloud now. If I have something I want to do, all I need to do is click on this edit button, and it will open up the Tableau Public edition for me on the cloud, and I can do whatever I want to do. So allow me to send you guys the data to your group. Grace, she will send it to the group. So this way we have successfully uploaded our first visualization to the cloud. And because it has been uploaded, so I'll close it and I will come back to my Tableau software. And then when next we'll be picking up our data from the cloud, all we need to do is come to File and do Open from Tableau Public. But we'll be doing that in our next class, so let me not stress us too much. So with this, we've come to the end of the first class. Janet, Juliet, you can stop recording, please. Is there any question before we...
When I end the session, I'll stop the recording.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Is there any question for me? I believe we are all smart people, so. But is there any question, please?
Sorry, what was the assignment? What are we creating? We are creating location. Is that what we are creating?
You are creating a location hierarchy.
Okay.
I'll put it to the group now.
Thank you.
To the chat, sorry. Create a location hierarchy. From country. Then drag state, city, and postal code under the country. Okay, that's the assignment. I just sent it to the group. Yes, David, you would have access to this video. I believe Olaume is in charge and Juliet. They would make it available. Don't worry. That's why the class is recorded. Okay, so I believe, there is no other question. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you next Wednesday at the same time. So in the absence of no other question, I'll stop sharing my screen. Thank you, Juliet, for recording. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Albert.
Thank you,
so much for
Albert.
the session. Thank you for your patience with those of us that we didn't even know what to click. Thank you so much. So we'll try and share the recording just like he said. We'll find a general platform where we can share this to you guys. If not,
platform is that? Do you have our data already?
So the same workplace you picked the links is where we usually will post for these first 2 weeks, right? But I might just maybe decide to probably create a Telegram group for just this 31 of you or something and put it in there for easy communication for the remaining part of the 2 weeks internship, just to make it
I'm asking, do you have our data, email or phone numbers?
I don't need your email. The same place we posted the free training is the same place we'll post it. You'll see
Like
the
WhatsApp,
video,
right?
you can click on it. Yes. Like WhatsApp. The same place we posted it is the same place you click on the link and you see it on our YouTube channel. Yeah. So Julia to post it first thing in the morning or something. Or we'll just within the next 24 hours you get the recording. That being said, thank you everyone too for your time tonight.
When is the next session?
So every day you'll be having a session. The next session for Tableau will be next Wednesday. So ideally, even with or without this session, our Tableau sessions are on Wednesday. So you can join on Wednesday. But we'll be letting you know what you have every day. So tomorrow we'll be having software testing. For everyone, please try and come like we encouraged yesterday. And for today's task, the reason we don't really call it assignment, I'm sure the tutor is just trying to blame, be a task given to you. So the task for